You can now use zone-based design to create zone-based plies and cores by defining the conceptual zone regions on the layup surface and creating zone stack recipes that include the local laminate definitions. The zone stacks define a stack of material and orientation angle combinations, which can easily be made symmetrical and reused in other designs. With the Plies From Zones tool, you can create many zone-based plies and cores using the specified combination of zones, zone stacks, and rosettes. The Plies From Zones tool can be used multiple times, and the automatically created plies and cores are grouped to provide more clarity in the composite tree. This enhancement supports a conceptual top-down composite design, using zones and zone stacks to automatically create many zone-based plies and cores, and can be seamlessly combined with traditional plies and cores.